Hi traders, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the PZ trade pad indicator for MT5. All right, um, you can see that the indicator is available for free, so just download the file in the description below and then just follow the link within the file, and when you get to the MQL5 marketplace, just click on download. If you have your MT5 platform installed, ensure that the MT5 platform is running. Okay, let the platform be running before you click on this. All right, then you click on open. Okay, so we're just going to wait for the indicator to be added to the platform. All right. Okay, so I believe it should have added by now the PZ trade pad. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we are just going to add the indicator to the chart. All right, so that we can analyze it, see how it works. Okay, allow algo trading. All right, and then you can see the settings here. Right, you can see the customizable settings here. You can modify them according to your taste. Okay, so now you will notice that this indicator, the trade pad indicator, is designed to enhance your trading experience. Okay, it provides you with quite a range of tools, all right, built to integrate with your platform, to seamlessly integrate with your trading platform. You can see the lot size calculation. It can help you with the lot size calculation. If you want it to be based on balance or equity or free margin or fixed lot, you can do that. And then of course you can see the percentage of your risk margin that you want to risk. You can the percentage of your free margin that you want to risk, you can set it here. And then the lot size, right? You can see the lot size automatically calculated. And then of course you can see the stop loss, right? If you are changing your stop loss position, it's going to affect the lot size, right? Because the farther the stop loss, the lower the lot size, right? The closer the stop loss, the bigger the lot size, of course, because the risk is fixed in this case, right? So the software does the calculation automatically for you, right? Does the calculation automatically for you. Okay, you can set your take profit target, your stop loss target, right? You can also use this indicator to automatically delete all pending orders that you might have set, and then close 50% of the volume. You close all trades now. Very easy tool, right? It's a tool that kind of makes your trading easier for you. Okay, makes your trading and your calculation easier for you. Okay, so if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now, and also turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.